guys, welcome back to Cozy Home. Today we're going to be doing Thursday of Mrs. Meyer's cleaning, and we're going to be doing the living room day, and it's time to bring out our vacuum cleaners to vacuum the sofa, the couches and chairs, and we're going to be dusting the electronics, she says, and cleaning the glass of our off of our TV screens if we have those, or like me, I don't have those, so I have a projector for ours, so I'm not going to be doing that. I wanted to mention that to you guys, that you're going to be cleaning all those, and we're also going to be allowing some nice sunlight coming in by washing our windows, and we're going to be doing the floors also. Okay, I want to apologize if my voice is going in and out. I have been pretty sick for the last few days. I haven't been doing anything. This is one of the reasons why I wanted to go ahead and do Mrs. Meyer's cleaning, because it doesn't take that long to do her stuff, and I also like the fact that I can only have to tackle one room today, and then I can leave the rest of the house alone, with especially with having low energy and just getting back to getting healthy again. So I'm gonna be just doing this, and one of my things I want to do is I'm going to pretty much use I'm going to be using probably like a bleach solution on my floors, and I'm going to be using On Guard probably in my spray bottle, just because On Guard helps disinfect things. So that's what I'm going to be doing, so I could get rid of this bug and no one else gets a hold of this bug. Anyway, if you guys enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to like and share my videos. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. Ooh. There's something different about the way we are. I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me.
Okay guys, I just wanted to give you a little bit of what I've done already. I have already wiped down everything. I use a wet washcloth, and then in some areas I use my spray bottle that has Deterra On Guard in it, some vinegar, some water, and a drop or two of Dawn dish soap. I'll leave my recipe that I use for my all-purpose cleaner down in the description below. I washed the windows and I cleaned up the grooming area, like put away things or move things into the other rooms. I'm starting to feel like my energy level is starting to go down, so I gotta finish up the floors, and I want to vacuum out the couch, or I might actually leave the couch, to be honest, because it looks so nice. So I'm thinking about leaving it, but technically I'm supposed to be cleaning the couch, but I think I'm gonna not do it this time. Don't tell on me. So I'm going to do the floors and what else, and mop. So definitely gotta mop the floors and sweep the floors. Okay guys, and then we are going to show you the afterwards of everything getting done.
Love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this listen to it good.